Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage resource limits on SiteGround. I just tap on Safari browser, and if you want to create the account you will have to purchase the plan. If you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code. And how to increase WordPress memory limit. The default value of the WordPress memory limit is set to 256 MB on all SiteGround servers. To increase it, edit the WordPress configure and file for of your application. If you can use to site tools and file manager to open the file for editing, and the file is located in the folder where you install your WordPress application. And next is you will just copy this link, and you can replace the value you see in the quotes to with a new one up to 512 MB on all shared hosting account. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.